First of all, congratulations for the inauguration of the new office. We started this journey, we met 1 year and a half. Okay, so congratulations to all of you, okay, to be here and to be connected with Meer Group. So we started in 2017, making education in blockchain. I came from business school, and I want to become entrepreneur, and I saw that I was searching for some kind of interesting topic that was in this time new and was impacting the world, and I find that blockchain technology was one of the trends that is going to rule the world. It's a new financial infrastructure that is going to change all the things, how we are interacting in finance and in data, basically, okay? So we started with school, blockchain technology. In 2020, we started with DeFi. We specialize in decentralized finance. We started an investment fund, and then we realized that we have to be regulated. We regulated the fund in Gibraltar. Then we regulated the fund in United States. And through one of the investments that we did in the investment fund, we realized, or we figured out how to impact worldwide people, because investments is not for everyone. Education, unfortunately, not everybody is able to get education from finance or technology, but everybody needs a card to pay. Everybody uses the bank, you know, and the first use case of blockchain was Bitcoin. So finance was the topic 100% to focus. So we started to work in the idea of the launch a neobank. Neobank, fully regulated, with compliance, that 100% sure for the user, but bring together fiat currencies, dirhams, dollars, euros, okay? And also digital asset in one unique app. This app is a Lego of finance. There is different jurisdictions, United States, Panama, Europe. We also are in conversations to bring an Emirates financial company to join the application, and also a fully regulated crypto experience. So people can go to the shop or buy a travel and maybe spend in dirhams, spend in whatever currency, or maybe spending automatically with the currency that is going up in this moment. And we are going to help people in savings and in finance. And since the first day that I met with Mr. Shakeel and his huge vision to impact worldwide people and to make this 1 billion business impact, so I think that we are on the same page in terms of business vision. So, and we are working together and we are moving forward until we are making happen. So hopefully this next January we are delivering the first version of the neobank, so will be a reality. We did the agreement already with MasterCard, so we are ready to deliver cards worldwide with MasterCard crypto friendly. So it's a huge step, and now it's the last step to the first step to start to write the story together. So thank you so much.